Hello friends, welcome to my channel London View KP. I'm very happy to see you all again, and today I have some exciting news for our Tamil community here in London. Tamil Heritage Month Grand Pongal event 2026 is happening on the Saturday 17th January, Prabha Banqueting Hall, Ilford. Prabha Banqueting Hall has ample car park space, so please follow the postcode in the description box for easy access. Tamil Heritage Month always brings back beautiful memories of our homeland. Pongal is not just a festival, it's an emotion, a celebration of gratitude, tradition, and togetherness. Get ready to enjoy authentic traditional Pongal food, traditional Pongal games, colorful cultural performances, a joyful atmosphere filled with Tamil spirit and togetherness. It's going to be a wonderful way to start 2026, celebrating our roots and culture with family and friends. In this video, you can also see some highlights from last year's Pongal celebrations, and just trust me, this year will be even bigger and better. Looking forward to seeing you all there celebrating Pongal with true Tamil spirit. Thank you.
நம்முடைய சமயம், கலை, கலாச்சாரம், பண்பாடு என்று எதையும் விடாமல் நமது முன்னோர்கள் அனுசரித்த, நமக்கு வகுத்து தந்த விரதங்கள், கொண்டாட்டங்கள், பண்டிகைகள் அனைத்தையும் சிறப்பாக கொண்டாடி மகிழ்கிறோம்.